Good morning, I am Caleb Stone with GP Rental based out of the Wilmington location. I've been with GP Rental for just under 6 months. I'm standing in front of our GP Rental Toro TRX-250 walk-behind trencher. She's a 24.5 horsepower trencher. You could adjust it with 24, 36, and 48 inch boom. It's gonna be able to dig about 4 to 6 inches in width for your trench lines. Typically, most customers that utilize these are utility, gas companies, any plumbers, and even your weekend warriors that are doing work around the house. So you'll typically find these in use with our HVAC customers, our plumbers, our utility workers, and just your weekend warriors trying to get stuff around for the honey-do list. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how you can be involved with Gregory Pool Rental, please feel free to reach out at 1-800-646-RENT, or feel free to walk into any of our numerous locations supporting Eastern North Carolina.